if you're one of those sitting on the sideline trying to figure out what your next move is while you're sitting watching everybody else out here working and striving and achieving and doing the things that they want to do in life, all right, this video is for you. So basically, all I'm going to say is this: get started. Okay, that's not the only thing I'm going to say, but listen, just get started, all right? It doesn't matter if you think you sound bad or you look bad or whatever the case may be, all right? Whatever your goal is, whether it's to start your own business, get in shape, religion, relationship, whatever the case may be, just get started, okay? Listen, in 2016, at the end of 2016, I lost my job, all right? And I didn't know what I was going to do. So I jumped online looking for every little thing that I could to make money. I went on Warrior Plus. I went on Warrior Plus. I found a program. I'm like, I'm going to just go ahead and jump on this program and stick to it and see if it works out for me. Okay, so the program taught you how to make Skillshare courses. So I'm like, you know what? At this time, Skillshare was new. There wasn't a lot of teachers on there. And this is when they were really trying to get noticed. They were pushing people like Seth Godin and Gary Vee and all that stuff on their platform, trying to get people to come on the platform. It was perfect timing, right? So I bought the program. I went through the course, watched it over and over and over again just to learn how to get this thing right. And I jumped on the platform and I started making courses. I made a lot of courses on that platform, all right? And it took quite some time. Now, the good thing is when I lost my job, I did have money saved to the side so that I could take care of myself while I wasn't working, while I was doing this thing. But it took some time. And to be completely honest, my courses sounded like ass. Like, I sounded like straight doo-doo. Like robotic, dead doo-doo. I'm drilling how bad my courses is. As a matter of fact, I'll go ahead and play a clip from one of my courses real quick just to show you how bad my courses were back then when I started. Okay, so I'm gonna get to work. You have plenty of options here. You can make ebooks. You can also make video courses that you can sell online as both physical and digital products. So yeah, I sounded lifeless, like somebody peed in my Cheerios or shot my dog. Whatever depressing thing you could think of, that basically was it, right? So, and honestly, like every day I'm like, these aren't going to go anywhere. These courses aren't going to go anywhere, you know. So slowly over time, I found myself getting more and more emails, and in these emails were reviews. And surprisingly, these reviews were all positive, despite the fact that I sounded boring and uninteresting. People still found the courses useful. They still provided value, and people still found that stuff helpful. So as I'm getting more and more reviews, now more and more people see the course. The courses, rather, and sure enough, the courses started making me money. And this wasn't like one time. This was month over month. Okay, we all start with doubt. We all start uninterested. We all start off terrible at whatever it is we're trying to do because we're just getting started. And over time, you get better and better, and you get more comfortable with what you're doing, and you find more efficient ways to do that thing. Okay, so I mean, like, seriously, just don't overthink it. Okay, don't sell yourself short, because that's what a lot of people do, and I do that from time to time. It happens. We all do it. You sell yourself short, or you overthink things, or you think it's not going to be good enough. Like, it doesn't matter. Just put it out there and do it. Okay, even if people don't like it, you can find out what it is that they don't like, or you can find out whatever it is that you're doing wrong. Okay, and just work towards getting better at it. And as you get better, you'll see better results. Okay, and then as you start seeing those better results, those results will start coming faster, and they'll come more naturally. I'll throw another example at you. Here on YouTube, I made a 3-part WordPress series. I show you how to get started with WordPress, as in how to install WordPress, how to set up WordPress, and how to create your first article. Okay, your first optimized article, Google optimized article. And I put a lot of work into it, you know. And none of those videos, maybe altogether, those videos got maybe around 30 views. It was demoralizing. But recently, I had a software company, a WordPress. They specialize in WordPress plugins. And they reached out to me and they were like, hey, we liked your video. Would you mind making a review for us and we'll pay you? So I'm like, you know what? I'll go ahead and do it. I'm like, let me know what you need and I'll get it done within 48 hours. And that person was like, okay, cool. So I went, I did the video. Okay, I busted out in the weekend, did the video, did the editing, you know, made it look professional. Sent it to him Monday morning, and he was like, we love it. We love how quickly you got it done, and you know, hey, here you go, give us your PayPal information so we can pay you. And I'm like, wow. And again, this is off of a WordPress video that didn't get that many views. Okay, so basically, just whatever's holding you back, just push that to the side and just do it. Just take action. Everything's marketed to us as instant, like things are going to happen overnight, and that's the reality. Is that's just not the case. You know, things take time. Okay, but you're never going to know how far you can get unless you actually get started. So basically that's the message for today. If you're sitting on the sideline, you're contemplating or debating on starting, or you've got those doubts about how far you're going to get, or if you're going to succeed or not, just push that stuff to the side and get started. Just do the thing, okay? Just take the time to better yourself at whatever it is that you're trying to succeed in, and you will succeed and you will see results. All right, so that's all I got for today. I know I kind of rambled on the day, but I just wanted to put this out there, something to help people who may be on the offense about things or whatever. So that's all I got. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.